What do you have to say for yourself?
This is a 19. Oh shoot. This is a.
Shut up and just start fixing the car.
Okay, so we're working on my car. I'm just gonna take it apart and see what I need to fix.
This light's a little too strong.
Little damage.
Yeah.
This is the cool part. Yeah. Well, long story short, I'm gonna start taking it apart.
Yeah, you start. So, this is the aftermath of Good Luck League Twin Drift Trial Episode 1. If you watched that video, you know exactly what happened. If you haven't watched it yet, watch it after this video, but for now, we'll just throw in a little clip here.
So, car's been sitting for about a month.
You need to speak up.
I don't want to. So the car's been sitting for about a month now, and I'm ready to fix it. First, I gathered a lot of the parts.
Oh, bro.
Just turn the volume down. No. Yeah, the car's been sitting for about a month now. I gathered up a lot of the parts. Luckily, none of them need to be painted. And I'm just gonna take everything apart and see what needs to get pulled, what needs to get fixed up.
It's definitely gonna need a little bit of framework. I think it will need a little bit of a pull. But for the most part, luckily, BMW has unboltable radiator support. So radiator support, nose panel, reinforcement, fender, apparently rotor.
We don't need a new rotor. I'll be all right.
You might be okay. Hood, and then the really crappy part
is some moron did not disconnect the airbag. So now we need a new windshield.
And well, we don't need an airbag, but yeah, airbag deployed, which sucks. But it is what it is. So let's just get to it.
Ain't nothing to it, but
just
to do
but
it.
to
No,
do
don't
it.
ever use that. Don't ever say that.
Poor brand new Silvers. Oh.
Okay, we are good.
Dang, rotor fixed. I like it.
I don't need to pull anything.
Here.
Oh.
Oh. Yo, sick intake, bro.
Thank you.
Maybe we should have just vacuumed.
Yeah.
You need that? Is it good still?
It's good.
Yo. I think I'm gonna have to cut the audio because that was a little loud. Yo, dude, this thing is tweaked. Alright, check this out.
You like Christian? No. Yo, bro, that shit's tweaked.
Yeah, man, that shit. Whoa. And then this one, look at this one. This one's like the opposite way. Okay, so here, I'll hold this straight on with the frame. And you can see this thing is like, and this one's like really, we got some crumpling up in there. Yeah. Silver, 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 silver. Dang, bro, you like silver gang up in here, dude.
Well, when you're sponsored by Silvers.
Yeah. Let's put some yellow parts in your car. If you think we should powder coat these yellow, like the video. Or if you think they should stay silver, still like the video.
So you're saying just like the video?
Just like the video.
Title of the video is Transforming My Car into a Sonoma Car. Don't put that on YouTube.
Hey, if you want, you can watch one of my previous videos and I show
And like
how you can reinforce this, Alex. If you want to, you know, since you're doing this. Yo, I like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Is that Dima?
I don't know who this is. I don't think it is. He hasn't been in there that far. Yes, this car is salvaged. This has been a salvaged car prior. Alex, I think I just lowered the value of your car in public.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, you're pretty much there.
So the AC was already empty. We did not.
Yeah, we really did. The AC was empty.
Is it welded on down here? Oh,
Yeah, it's right here. See, there's a spot weld. Why are you so angry? You're becoming me.
No, man. Chill, man.
All right, let's go get food.
Let's get food.
Let's get food.
Let's get food.
Yellow. Let's do it. Yellow.